Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at EU buys and GJ buys that were taken yesterday during London session and New York session. EU buys actually took on stream 1 to 3 risk reward, 60 pips, beautiful trade. We'll go over that in a second. First of all, links below, boom, 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 right here. So yeah, live trading, like I said, I do on Twitch Monday to Friday from 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, 1 hour before New York Open is when I start, and that's where I take these trades live, or most of them or some of them. So we'll go over that in a second. My Twitter account, to where I post my analysis, things like that. Before I take the trade, I post it to Twitter, and also, you know, it's a good place to get in contact with me if you want to, or things like that. And of course the YouTube channel, that's where we are. So if you enjoy the content, if you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's move on. So looking at the chart, this is EUR USD yesterday. Actually ended up taking buys right here as price started breaking up. If I turn this on, this is mid London session. Actually took buys here, but moved stops to break even, and that hit break even in the end. And then price came down as it broke that previous 12-hour high, retraced, and then started pushing up. And as it broke this high right here, you can see price started pushing up. That's where I entered. You can see if you went onto my Twitch, that is where I entered. If I get that up real quick, but yeah, took this live 1 to 3. 60 pips, was a beautiful trade, and price was just, you know, price kind of pushed up, broke out of this kind of downtrend or consolidation, made a lower high. So there's the low, high, and then here's the new lows that got formed right there, and then price started breaking up again. So it made sense that price continued for buys. If I just quickly go onto my channel and go to yesterday's, and if I just go over here somewhere, you'll be able to see where I take those. But yeah, looking into today, you can see that it has made a resistance here that price respected, and now we've broke above that. We've also made our low for the day. So coming in, the daily low wick is around about 21 pips, which is decent. So we should potentially continue to break up. We do have 4-hour closures in 14 minutes, so I'm looking for a potential pullback here during this 30-minute, and then this next 4-hour candle to make its low and then start breaking that high, and that's where I'll take my buys right there to continue these buys up. Let's have a look over here somewhere. You'll be able to see, there we go, you can see right here, I entered these EUR USD buys. You see people in the chat talking, chatting. So that was them right there. If you have a look, boom, boom. So if I've deleted that resistance and support, but there's the resistance and there's the support that I had driven right there. You can see exactly the same, boom, 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 and then entered right there as price started breaking up. So that was that trade. Again, the link will be down in the description for the Twitch channel. So yeah, looking at buys here on EU in the next, you know, around about 30 minutes or so, potentially shorter than that, but yeah, looking for continuation buys. Moving on to GJ. These buys I had on GJ. So again, London coming in again, that volume. So EU was, you can see EU was at New York Open, so high volume times, high probability that it's going to work out in your favor with the more volume you have. Pre-London here on GJ. Again, price, like I said before, is in an uptrend, right? Made a high, made a new daily low right here. So this is a high, low, a higher low, and then we started breaking that previous daily high after making a new low here today, creating support. And then with that volume coming in, price was clearly bullish. Continuation buys. This was the previous 4-hour high. So if you see, literally just that 4-hour candle open, made a bit of a bottom wick, and then just started pushing straight up. That was around about 37, 40 pips that I caught right there, and then it continued bullish throughout London and New York. And again today, looking at buys on GJ2, kind of create a resistance here. If you have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 rejections off there, and then we've closed above. But now again, 4-hour closure within the next 12 minutes. So I'm looking for now this 30-minute candle to kind of pull back a little bit. This next 30-minute candle in 10 minutes to create a low wick, and then eventually for it to come up and break this high right here, this previous 4-hour high or current 4-hour high, and then continue bullish. That's what I'll be looking for there on GJ. Same as EU, just continuation buys to follow the trend. So yeah, that is that wrapped up in a nice 5-minute video. Nothing too crazy, just following the trend, waiting for clear structure, bullish structure to be formed, breaks of highs, respect, price respecting lows, that kind of thing. And yeah, so I have just started uploading to TikTok as well, so I'm going to start posting as well my TikTok link down in the YouTube videos. Oh my god, what is that? Get rid of that. So I'll post those as well, so definitely go check them out. Lots of cool stuff on my TikTok, on my Twitter. Again, just before I go, if you enjoy the content, if if this makes sense to you, if you like the way I trade, definitely like and subscribe. And if you want to see anything else on this channel, let me know in the comments. But yeah, basically looking for buys above the previous 4-hour high right here within the next 10 minutes. And if not, then above this daily area over here at 170,125 around about. And same on EUR USD, just looking for continuation buys here at this point. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.